So it's time for a checkup on the package that I installed several days ago. I think it was 4 days ago now. I opened it up yesterday and found that the queen had not been let out of the cage and that most of the bees were actually in the feeder. So I rearranged things and hopefully the queen will now be out and they'll have started building up some comb. Okay, so it looks like they do have a pretty good cluster there. So I'm gonna open it from the back and see how the feeder is looking before I go in after the queen box. All right, that's looking very good. So let's see. Still there. So that looks good then. They're forming a good cluster around the comb an extra comb that I put in. So that's good. Okay, so now I have the cluster here around the comb that I added. They are building new comb, which is a great sign on several of the top bars. And the feeder is back here, and it looks like they are using that up. So they're eating, they're building, the queen is out of the cage. And so it has been a bit of a rough start, but I'm hopeful that they'll be able to settle in and stay healthy.